About 3 years ago, I was finally able to track down one of those highly sought-after Powermatic planers from the mid-1900s. This one was from 1963, a PM160, 16-inch planer. And it was quite the project. I learned so much. It was from actually from a lumber mill that had used it very heavily and really abused it and needed a lot of work. So this is just a short video of it in action, and as the video's going, I'll explain what all needed to be done to it to get it back into working condition. So when I bought it, it did have a single-phase motor on it, but it was not in working condition. The mill had really used it very heavily. There was a lot of work that needed to be done on internal parts, and so I learned a ton on this. This is my first real big machine. I'd done some table saws and things like that for myself before, but this really gave me the vintage machinery bug. A lot more going on in a planer like this than on a table saw or something like that. So I had to learn a lot about how these machines worked. Had to track down some parts, and also work with the machine shop to get some parts remachined. Great thing though is there's so many people that are helpful with things like this, but I really love it. It works great now that everything's up in working motion. There are a lot of adjustments to make, I will say that, but once you get everything tuned up properly, with all of your dial indicators and feeler gauges and so forth, it really works very well, and I'm very pleased with it. I love the quick adjust bed rollers, the variable speed drive, everything about it when it is tuned up works very well. Just eating this 8-quarter walnut for lunch that somebody brought over who needed planed. Needless to say, they don't make them like they used to. Hey, thanks for watching. Hope the video has been helpful for you. Feel free to subscribe using the subscribe link. And if you've benefited from the channel and enjoy what you see here, consider donating using the PayPal link that's on my banner picture on my YouTube channel homepage. I put out a video per week. Hope they're helpful. Anything else I can do, contact me. Thanks a lot.